10 solar garden lights, modified with liquid paper in order that 100% of the photons emitted by the diode encounter a white reflective surface on the backing plate behind the LED. These two, the $1 units, come equipped with a concave conical reflector stamped out of sheet metal and held in place with a screw, so that all the light shining down inside the cylindrical conical Fresnel lens is redirected out to the side by the conical reflector. As you can see, if left unpainted, black polyethylene is what 40% of the light leaving the diode would encounter. And they reckon the definition of a lampshade is a structure which converts light into heat. So as you can imagine, a black plastic backing plate does the exact opposite of a reflector. Turns out to be 1 hour to modify all 10 lights, including painting the bottom of the glass as well as the top of the black plastic mounting stake, in order to ensure that all the light emanating from the diode is going to bounce off a reflective white surface, or it's going to go out through the Fresnel lens. And it's a funny thing, but if you haven't got much power to start with, then anything you can do to improve the efficiency of the system is really well worth doing. With a 1.06 watt LED bulb, 10 minutes at per each light before installation boosts their efficiency by 40% in the real world. So if anybody has any connections to the Chinese production engineer who works for the factory who's pumping out millions of these things, somebody might like to point him in the direction of this video and suggest to them that they could make their company look a whole lot better in the eyes of their customers if they could just be bothered to finish the job before shipping their product. But until they wake up to themselves, that's what it takes. 10 minutes per light, 1 hour for a tray of 10. Warbles on a lot to YouTube. Ciao.